2, 6, 1. Let's do just 1, 2, 7, go. And 1, 2, yes. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 5, 6, 7, let's go. Et be careful with that one. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, et 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, on y va. Et 5, 6, 7, let's go. Et let's try to cross this one because then it's easy to just close. Even when you're walking forward, try to do like this when you have to close. You're already like this. Ça s'en vient. Et 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et
Yeah, another one. Yeah.
which one?
Don't feel like I'm not here for now. Yeah. That was better. That was better. You just be careful with trying to
Eu juro por tudo desse mundo, se for mentira, Deus me faça surpreender.
That's awesome. Oh, you think your pictures don't get better? Yeah. Shani grandma used to go to ballet too. She got like, it's true. It's like, how do you know? Yeah. Papa, hold on. One more. Let me get one more move and then we go. Yeah. That is good, girl. And it's a bit, it's even better. It's even better. Yeah. the stuff that you guys are doing. Right, so now she can add slowly. Ta, ta, pa. All right? Come back up. Come. Yeah. All right? So now she has, today, we work Shani. Look. You got this. You got that. You come right here. We have the normal stuff. Now right here, you go to the other side. Mata. Come back right here. Ta. And then continue. Zabadaya. Zaba zigi da. Ta. Kidi. Yeah.
So
Just,
what part?
yeah, you know what part.
C'est quoi le pivot? Ta, 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 ta.
Drop. Come back up. Yeah, good. All right.
Okay.
That, but work on the pivot, the new one, the one from Angola, the delayed one. Yeah, but that's for you, not for her.
Ok,
Yeah.
ok.
Yeah.
Ok, so, ce que ça va donner, 5, 6, 7, ça donne donc 1. First, it's on the side. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, on y va, ça fait 1, 2. Ok, pour pouvoir
Allez une fois, puis après ça, je le suis.
5, 6, 7, ça va donner donc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On commence avec ça. 5, 6, 7.
Shani is like,
Et
oh,
1,
man.
2,
I like to see
3,
this first.
4, 5, 6, 7, ouais. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Le pas qui se déplace, on met un petit peu d'accent. Donc 1, 2, 3. Parce qu'on veut vraiment se déplacer par là. Donc, yes, 5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc 1, 2. Le deuxième, 1, 2, c'est vraiment changer de direction puis on dépose le poids pour commencer à reculer. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 et on descend. Juste pour le pivot,